Hello friends, welcome to Harmony Physics classes. Myself Lokesh Kumaut and this is video number 7 on Assam Meghalaya CSR NET JRF Physical Science December 2019, and these questions are from part C which contain 5 marks individual. Now come on, question first. The vibration frequency of a hydrogen halide molecule is omega equal to 5 multiply 10 की power 14 radian per second. Assuming the halogen atom to be heavy compared to the hydrogen atom, given the mass of hydrogen atom, the force constant of the bond is closest to. These are option. Now solution of this question. In the question given frequency, vibrational frequency of hydrogen halide, I just named it HX, H hydrogen X halide atom, then omega equal to 5 cross 10 की power 14 radian per second, and also given that mh equal to 1.6 10 की power minus 27 kg, and we have to notice on this line, assuming the halogen atom to be heavy compared to the hydrogen atom, means mass of halogen atom is greater than mass of hydrogen. Okay, then the force constant in vibrational motion is given by omega इक्वल टू रूट के बाई म्यू. यहाँ मोलिक्यूल की बात कर रहे हैं तो रिड्यूस मास आएगा. ओके, अगर एटम की बात करते हैं तो सिंगल एम आता. देन के फोर्स कांस्टेंट क्या होगा, ओमेगा स्क्वायर म्यू. ओके, हियर रिड्यूस मास फॉर मोलिक्यूल m1 m2 बाई m1 plus m2. These are atoms mass which converts into molecule. Okay, then here given hydrogen halide mean mu equal to hx equal to mh dot mh plus mx. Take mx common, then mh equal to 1 plus mh by mx. Then this converts mu hx, then this converts into mu hx equal to mh equal to and nearly equal to mhx, because in condition given mx is greater than mh. If denominator is greater than 1, then this is lesser than very less quantity, and 1 plus is compared to equal to 1, then this is equal to only mh. Now put all value in this equation, then k equal to omega square mh, and put omega and mh value from here, then k equal to 5 cross 10 की power 14 whole square multiply 1.6 10 की power minus 26 kg. Then k equal to 40 multiply 10 की power 20 10 की power minus 27 Newton per meter. Then k equal to 40 10 की power 28 10 की power 27, then 10 400 Newton per meter. K equal to 400 Newton per meter. Then option 4 will be our answer. Now come on, question second. The second order Runge-Kutta method to find an approximation solution yx of the boundary value problem dy by dx equal to fxy with boundary condition y0 equal to y0 uses yn plus 1 equal to yn plus hf function of xn plus h by 2 and yn plus h by 2 fxn yn, where xn equal to nh and yn in the approximation of y after n iteration. If fxy equal to 2y and y not equal to 2 and step size as equal to 0.02, then y2 and absolute error y(x2 minus y2) after 2 iterations are respectively. Now solution of this question. The function given that yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h f x n plus h by 2 yn plus h by 2 and f x n yn, and also here given dy by dx equal to fxy equal to 2y, okay, and y naught equal to y0 equal to 2 and step size denoted by h equal to 0.02, and we have to find y2 and yx2 minus y2. First of all we have to deal with this equation, then put all value from this here, then yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h f function of x and y, then given here 2y only, then 2y, y component given is here, yn plus h by 2 f x and yn, also put here 2y, then in next step yn plus 1 equal to yn plus 2h yn plus h by 2 multiply by 2y, okay, cancel out, and this is change in yn equal to yn plus 2h, yn कॉमन ले लिया यहाँ से, yn equal to 1 plus 2h, ओके, देन इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अंदर, सॉरी h ओनली, देन इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो yn plus 1 equal to yn कॉमन ले लिया, देन 1 plus 2h यहाँ plus 2h square, this change to in this, and put for n equal to 0, then y1 equal to y0 1 plus 2, step size given 0.02 plus 2 cross 0.02 का whole square, then y1 equal to y0 given y0 equal to 2, okay, then 2 cross इसकी वैल्यू आएगी 1.0408, okay, then this is y1. For y2 n equal to put 1, then y1 plus 1 equal to y1 1 plus step size 0.2 plus 2 cross 0.02 का whole square, then y2 equal to y1 2, here put the value 2 cross 1.0408 cross इसकी वैल्यू आएगी 1.0408, then y2 equal to 2 cross 1.0408 का whole square, then this is y2, okay, then we have to determine absolute error yx2 minus y2, we have to y2 value of yx2, then given in the question dy by dx equal to 2y, then solve this differential equation, then dy by y equal to 2 dx, okay, then it change in integrated, then ln y equal to 2x plus ln c. To calculate ln c, put y0 equal to 2, means x equal to 0 and y equal to 2, okay, then ln 2 equal to 2 cross 0 plus ln c, then ln c equal to ln 2, put ln c, value of ln c here, then ln y equal to 2x plus ln 2, देन ये इधर आ जाएगा, देन ln y माइनस ln 2 इक्वल टू 2x, देन ये हो गया ln y बाई 2 इक्वल टू 2x, देन ln को इधर लेके जाएंगे तो e की पावर में चला जाएगा, तो y इक्वल टू 2 e की पावर 2x। ओके, अब यहाँ पे अक्स की वैल्यू डिफाइन कर रखी है इसने। अक्स की वैल्यू क्या दे रखी है, अक्स इक्वल टू एन एच। ओके, देन अक्स फॉर y2, अक्स 2 मीन्स n इक्वल टू 2, देन अक्स इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 2 क्रॉस h, मीन्स अक्स 2 दे रखा है, n इक्वल टू 2, देन 2 क्रॉस h यहाँ से, फॉर अक्स 2 इक्वल टू 2h। ओके, देन 2 e की पावर 2h, h वैल्यू ऑफ h, देन 2 क्रॉस e की पावर 2 क्रॉस 0.02, then this will be क्रॉस 2h फॉर वैल्यू ऑफ x2, देन यहाँ पे ये x2 हो जाएगा, देन x2 की वैल्यू 2, देन ये हो गया 2 क्रॉस e की पावर 0.08। ओके, देन y x2 माइनस y2, then y x2, the value of y x2 equal to this y x2, this is value of y x2, then 2 cross e की पावर 0.08 minus y2, 2 cross 1.0408 का whole square, then this will be our answer, then 1.082, answer 4 will be correct, option 4 will be correct. Now come on question 3. A material of inhomogeneous thermal conductivity Kr has a uniform density ρ and heat capacity Cv. The heat obeyed by the time dependent temperature distribution TRT is. These are heat equation, and now we have to solve this question. Here we use a experimental data, and the heat flow in the medium per unit area per unit time through normal to surface is given by Q equal to minus K del T, TRT. Here K is inhomogeneous thermal conductivity and del T temperature depends on R and T, means coordinate, space coordinate at time T. Okay, now T, here T is temperature and Kr is thermal conductivity. Okay, inhomogeneous, and Q is flow of heat per unit area and time. Okay, now specific heat, it's given by C equal to 1 by m dq by dt, then Q equal to CMT, we can change it and integrate Q equal to CMT. Now divide by volume V, then this is charge means Q by V, flow means हो गया, ये हो गया हीट डेंसिटी पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम। ओके, देन इसको हीट डेंसिटी एच टी से डिनोट कर देता हूँ, रो एच से डिनोट कर देता हूँ इसको, रो एच इक्वल टू सी डॉट रो, ये हो गया मैटर, जो मटेरियल है उसकी डेंसिटी मीन्स रो एंड टी। ओके, रो एच इक्वल टू सी रो टी, रो एच हियर flow of heat per unit volume. Okay, now we know that conservation of charge, law of conservation of charge, this is given by continuity equation. Then del rho by del T equal to minus del dot J. Here J, okay, and J equal to sigma E, and E equal to minus del V. Then J equal to sigma dot del V, okay, del V. Then this J and this equation Q, okay, we have to compare these equation. Then J equal to Q, and here K generated by sigma, and T is equal to V. Then put all value here. Rho H, this is charge density with respect to time, okay. Then put from Q here and here value in this equation, okay. Then del by del T, CV and rho T, okay. Then equal to minus del dot G, Q is equivalent to Q. Then put value K R del T R T, okay. Then is negative here, then this negative and negative positive, and del by del T, CV and rho are constant, del T equal to minus del K R dot del T R T, and T is depends on R, and T equal to minus del K R del T R T. And this is the flow of heat with inhomogeneous thermal conductivity Kr. If this is constant, then it will change CV rho del by del T RT equal to del positive, okay, del and del square K T R T. But in the question given is that inhomogeneous thermal conductivity, then this relation is correct for this question. Then option first is correct.